Here in Berkeley, take a look at this tree that's down right in front of this home. As you can see behind me, it is a very large tree. The large branch snapped off and crashed down very close to the house here on Bonita Avenue in Berkeley. Thankfully, no one was hurt. This was in part because of the high winds overnight. There is also a red flag warning in effect because of the winds anticipated by the dry conditions right now. The National Weather Service says that winds could kick up to 40 miles an hour. Here in Berkeley, Teresa Stasio, KRON 4 News.